John Verhage from Seriously Smart Technologies. We are the sales representative for Mandelay Ltd. In the United States. And today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Pocket Orgon device. So let's go ahead and open up the box. First you have the felt case for the Orgon device. And then inside this smaller box you will find the Pocket Orgon device. So this handy case can be used for carrying it to protect it, like so, or you can easily put it in a pocket, a purse, or someplace small. The Orgon device is designed for use with the body in various places that you would use, and you can consult the instruction manual for proper ways of use. We hope that you find this video helpful as you take a look at what is included with the Orgon Pocket device.